Hi everybody. So if you have time, you may want to reverse its contents. So let's look at the two ways we have for reversing the contents of our array. So in my example, I'm going to create my array. I'm going to call it numbers. And let's have it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can see we have an array with the numbers 1 through 6 in it. To reverse an array, there's a handy reverse method that arrays come with by default. So I'm just going to call numbers.reverse and then console.log the output. And if everything worked out correctly, you'll now see our array has been reversed. You see 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 as the contents, as opposed to the original value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here's the one minor wrinkle here. This modifies your original array. Sometimes you may not want that. You may want to have another array that you use to kind of have all of your manipulations like reversing occur to, while your original array stays original and the way it was defined. And so the way to do that is we can actually use another trick that we know on how to copy the values of an array. So I'm going to create a new value called let reversed. And in this one, I'm going to use a spread operator and type in numbers. And then now I'm going to call reverse on this. So essentially, just to give you an idea of what's going on here, the numbers takes all of these values and destructures them into individual items, and then this puts it back into an array. So we're almost in many ways, we're taking the array, creating a copy of it, and then doing reverse. And so now if I were to console.log, we already have numbers being printed out. So let's do reversed. And just for clarity, I'll just leave it as this. And so let's go ahead and save and refresh the page. You'll now see the first one is numbers, which is the original array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has been modified. And our duplicate array, which is now the reversed one, is now having the contents reversed. So that's pretty cool, right? If you have any more questions about how to work with arrays, post in the forums at forumnetgroup.com, where I and others would be very happy to help you out. And if you like this video, tell your friends and enemies all about it. Hit subscribe to be notified of other videos I'll be coming up with. And follow me at Group on Twitter and other places. And lastly, if you want a really good deep dive on what arrays can do, check out my book, Arrays from Loop to Ninja, available both in paperback and Kindle editions. And with that, I will see you all next time.